Preparing your taxes, the professional way or the intelligent way, in my opinion, it's a year-round process. So during the year, you're gathering charitable receipts or you're doing your bookkeeping as a business, then you're projecting out, how do you think this tax year is going to come? Let's say it's June 30th and you get your June 30th pay stub. Not a lot's going to change. If you double that, then you have your whole year. As an individual, you can put that in the prior year software. You can go ahead and put that in a projection tool that you can find online, or work with your professionals, see where you are, what can you do now, especially when you're self-employed. You might want to accelerate deductions, or if it's a low tax year, you might want to actually increase your income. So preparing taxes can be a year-round process. You're in the past, you're currently doing your business or working, and you're projecting out, how's this going to work out next year? And while it's great and nice to get your taxes done early, professional tip, especially when the bigger numbers are involved, it can be a great idea to file an extension, but get paid in for the current year. The current tax year meaning the last year's tax year, so that you have a little bit more time to think, prepare about what's going on and what would be the absolute present moment, as well as behind. You can see how things shape up, and you might have some decisions such as depreciation of assets or other technical decisions that having a little bit more time down the road, it will actually serve you much better.